Welcome back, guys. So I'm gonna do a little intro for vlog number 2. I'm switching my setup from my previous vlog camera. What I realized was the A7C that I was using with the 16-35 GM lens was just way too shaky. I'm just gonna use that when I'm stationary and, you know, with my friends just talking or doing an unboxing or something like that. And then I'll use my GoPro Hero 11 when I'm walking around. Here's what it looks like. So here's a video from the Sony A7C of the vlog setup I'll be using. Rode video mic go to Hero 11 with a little small rig case on a little tripod thingy. We're at her favorite bread spot. Her favorite. Everyone tells me I should make a mukbang with Mila because she makes food look so good. And she can snack all day. Alright guys, we're cooking my favorite Japanese food. We're gonna make some beef curry and some chicken katsu. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Left front. Match it with this line here. Okay, this little line right here on the plastic trim, you just match up the back with that. Get a microfiber towel, wipe it off, peel off the backing, line this up. Okay, so right up against the groove. All right. That's it. Wow. Extra 5 horsepower. Let's do the rest of the car. So 45 millimeters from the edge of that. There. These seem to have no problem sticking to the ceramic coating. Just like that. And that's it. Looks pretty clean actually. I'll post some pictures right here. There's a meet going on, so we're gonna hit that up.
Hey man.
I hear Roman Pierce over here, man.
No, it's crazy. Smell that squash from here, bro.
Yeah, that squash smells hella good, Fred.
Yeah, I just put a new one in. Put that new air freshener here. Y'all ordered that freshener right here.
Oh, he got a hood. You think that?
What's up, man?
Because he has a hood exhaust. Big hug.
This is Alex, the yellow Supra right here.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna run it later. We're gonna run it later though.
That's all gonna leave when he gets here, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Ferris, pleasure, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
What is that?
Let's walk around a little bit. Oh. Want some TEs. I like that. Sagas. This is Sino's car. Aaron. This is Homer's car. It's just a little small pop-up meet. Oh, it's your Evo?
Huh?
Who's Evo?
Oh, my buddy Chris.
Oh.
Oh yeah, the red
Chris? That's Chris. He's
Alright,
the red
that's
Evo.
his
He's
Evo right there.
Type R long.
What do you want?
I made coffee.
So fucking Asian. You want now? What do you say?
No, I made coffee. I need caffeine, man. Yo, who's your sticker upside down? Did you say what's up to Homer?
Yeah. I was like, what's up, Doug Dick? He's like, come on, man. Talk shit. I can tell one thing I'll fucking I knew I'd be famous somehow. I didn't know.
How do you pronounce it, for real?
It's .jig, technically.
So it is DG.
Oh, that's... Nah, bro, nah. Usually it's the cuss words.
Okay.
Nah.
He's famous.
Nah.
He's famous.
Well, Tommy's here.
There's Tommy.
Hi, what do you do? What is your job to afford this thing?
Work at a body shop.
Tommy.
Some Korean barbecue. I'll wait until
All day.
I'll save my appetite for when everyone goes.
If you search in the chat K barbecue, his name comes like 10 times in the last 3 days. Every day he's like, yo.
hitting y'all.
Yeah, he's like, K barbecue, K barbecue, K barbecue.
Well, I didn't do that. That's my weekend fun. Like this, look like TV.
Yeah, let's go here.
Yeah, you look like this right here at this angle. Look like TVs. Be over like, oh, what the fuck?
Like, no, man.
Factory mount for the fans.
Did you pick up some fluid?
No,
Right
not
here,
yet.
bro? Dude,
Yeah, I can do it.
It fits in there tight because the thing's like twice as thick.
Oh yeah? I'm taking that turbo blanket off.
Yeah.
I just want to see
Would
how
it
it
rub
runs.
against the turbo blanket? Considering it's that thick?
I don't think so. No.
It'll be close.
It'll be close.
It's gonna be close.
See, I told you you're still gonna get a spot.
I parked in a handicap spot.
And
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. It's already closed already. So after that, after it's closed, it's no. You
Yeah.
can park it if you like it.
Well, like, so I got a shopping center, and landlord has to call the cops to come, and they'll write a ticket, unless the cop just happens to be driving by. Or, like, they don't go looking for it. They just like somebody has to actually call them out. Bye, Alex.
Drift out of here.
Can you like zoom in and out of the thing or no?
You can go wider. I've got this one like this is the closest it'll go, but you can go wider, like wide view. So what did I tell y'all about Roman Pierce?
Oh my god. What?
He wants me to race. He wants me to race. He got stock turbo.
In what?
Not even tuned.
I mean, technically I am tuned.
So, okay, so he got a base map and exhaust,
The get low light.
intake,
Down
and
pipe,
downpipe,
front pipe,
front pipe.
and that's it.
The thing farts.
But
All right, if you lose, you got to detail my car. with the stock turbo. Once you hit 110, your thing's gonna feel like it hit a wall and it's not moving.
Or he'll find a way to like.
So mine's gonna just keep going.
yeah, you damn Spoon MHI 2 turbo.
72 days from now. We gotta bring a guy to those photos.
Are you going?
Tail? Wait, what day is it? September?
September. It's like 72 days from now. I just saw their post today.
Oh, yeah,
wait,
you will.
72 days from
72 days
now.
from now.
Are y'all getting a cabin or anything?
I had this place by the airport, which was like maybe like 15
Bro,
minutes.
72 days from now is October 7th.
There you go.
So it's October.
Yeah, my buddy.
I thought it was September.
Yeah, my buddy
It was
told
like
me.
$200 for 2 nights, so $100 each. So is that including like extra
Yo, I gotta go. My baby's crying. Gotta go get Mila. For some reason, she only lets me feed her. So let's head out. All right, we're back home, guys. Had to leave early because the baby's awake and crying. The meet was just a little pop-up meet. There was a pretty good turnout, probably about 30 cars. There was another meet going on tonight, but it was like an hour away, so I didn't go to that one. Let me know what you guys think about the new vlog setup. The quality probably isn't as great, but it's gonna be a lot more stable. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. I got some cool stuff coming. Thanks.